Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. My name is Andres Salazar and this is Maximum Technology in general. I feel kind of weird saying that in English because if you are a new subscriber and you are an English speaker, you will see that the most of my videos are in Spanish. Hey guys, so as I was telling you, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve that bug in Windows 11 where you can get updates and maybe you've tried a lot of solutions in internet but you aren't able to solve that problem. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do that and I'm gonna teach you how to do that in a minute or maybe in less time. So without more to say, let's continue with the intro and let's start with this video. Okay guys, so the problem I was talking to you about at the beginning of this video was this book. This problem with Windows 11 at the Windows Update part, and is that you are unable to find any updates. But if you've tried a lot of solutions, like I don't know, maybe stopping Windows Update service and trying it again, starting it again, but it didn't work. Maybe you've tried deleting Windows registers and nothing of that worked for you. So I have the definitive solution for you in this video, and as I told you, it's gonna be like in 1 minute or less. So let's start without more to say. So you're gonna click on Windows and R key, and in this running window you're gonna click service.msc, then you're gonna click on OK. As the mods of the video in YouTube are showing you that typically window of services, and then you are not gonna find here the Windows Update service. Why? Because if you can see here, then start, you're gonna click on automatic, apply, and you're gonna try to start it. Yeah, that's it, that's running, everything is normal. But as you look at that, then it stopped automatically, as if it were something else that is stopping it. Yes, there's something else that is stopping it. So then you're gonna click here, you're gonna find this service, stop updates, and then you're gonna click on proprietors. And as you are seeing, it's running. You see? So you're gonna click on the starter type, you're gonna click on disable, then you're gonna click on stop, and then you're gonna click on apply. That service basically what makes it makes that the updates, as the name say, stop updates, make that all the Windows updates. Yeah, sorry for saying that one more time, but basically it isn't allowing that the updates arrived to your computer. So after doing that, then you're gonna click on Windows Update, you're gonna click on Proprietors, then you're gonna click on the starter type, and then you're gonna click on automatic, then you're gonna click on start, and in that way Windows Update service is gonna start. And if you wait like I don't know, maybe 1 minute or whatever you wanna wait, as you can see, it won't stop again. And if you go back to here to Windows Update, then it's gonna check for updates. Of course, I think it won't be arriving this moment because there's no updates available for my computer. Of course, I'm in the Windows Insider program, so maybe I will receive more updates than you in the in the public channel. But basically, as you can see, there's any problem, and Windows Update isn't saying that there's a problem, but sometimes it doesn't say that there's a problem. Yeah, but as you can see, maybe you've read a lot of on the internet about the new build, and you can see you aren't receiving that build. So in that way you will be able to know you are having this problem. So that was all for today, guys. This video also gonna be in Spanish if you want to see that in Spanish. So without anything else to say, bye bye, have a good day, sorry, have a good day, and Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button if it worked for you. And that's all for today. Have a nice day.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be.